Hello and welcome to the PVAC Levo e-learning course. In this e-learning course you will learn how to repair the PVAC Levo hook. In this chapter you will learn how to exchange the temperature sensor. Now our technician will show you how to exchange the temperature sensor. At the beginning, the cable of the temperature sensor will be disconnected from the electronic unit. Then the temperature sensor will be removed with the holders from the housing. Now we come to the assembling of the temperature sensor. As the first step, the temperature sensor with the holders will be placed in the housing. After slipping the temperature sensor through the housing, the sensor can be again connected with the electronic unit.